Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We have a cool Tacoma mashup for you guys to enjoy today. We're starting off today's video with this Bilstein 5100 setup. We're running old Man Emu front lift springs, add-a-leaf system in the rear, and SPC ball joint upper control arms. Right here you can see the add-a-leaf already installed on the vehicle with the 5100 shocks. Our shop, 88 Rotors, is located in the city of Baldwin Park, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone during regular business hours, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. If you guys are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. We work hard to bring you the content here as we are completely transparent with what we do. So it'll mean the world to us if you simply subscribe and follow our journey here at the shop. In addition to the Bilstein OME, SPC, and add-a-leaf system that we've installed, we're also doing some TRD Pro SEMA wheels. These are a 17x7 size with a positive 4 offset that we wrapped in a 285/70/17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2. This Bilstein package here is what we call our best bang for the buck setup. It's the most cost-effective and complete suspension lift that we recommend here that'll not break your bank. It's great for daily driven Tacomas that still want to have a proper lift to get on the dirt on that occasional weekend to hit some mild trails. If you want to get this setup installed and are local to us or plan to visit SoCal, please give us a call to get scheduled in with an appointment. If you need this lift package shipped to you and you don't want to have to deal with the research and guesswork of finding the products online, check us out at 88rotors.com. We have this package listed and are slowly adding new products to our website as inventory shortages are starting to become a thing of the past. Please be patient as we are adding products to the website daily and will continue to do so to serve our loyal supporters. In our description, this is the lift package number 1. To enhance the look of the front end of this vehicle, we're also installing a TRD Pro style grille with white indicator lights. Next up, we have a cement gray Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4. This one is in for a Bilstein 5100 setup with old Man Emu front lift springs, Camburg tubular uniball upper control arms in the front end, and our add-a-leaf system in the back with 5100 rear shocks. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going with the bead grip Method MR703s in a 17x8.5 size with a 0 offset in a matte black finish. We're wrapping it up in a 285/70/17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2. Method's patented bead grip technology aims to be the bridge between a conventional street wheel and a bead lock. Reducing air pressure in the tire increases traction and ride quality while on the trail when you're wheeling and having fun. The ability to safely run lower tire pressures without having to worry about the tire debeading is most important, and this is what Method has created. The integrated bead grip grooves found on both the inner and outer bead seat engage the tire bead for a stronger hold under extreme side load and lower tire pressures. The wheel's quote-unquote safety hump also gets a more aggressive profile, which further stabilizes the tired bead in the seat. This cement gray Tacoma is also getting a TRD Pro style grille installed. We're going to swap over the Toyota Safety Sense sensor and use a new TSS garnish on it. After adding a new leaf to the factory leaf pack, we use a new retainer bolt to hold it all together. Our tech is seen here cutting off the excess threading from that bolt once the entire leaf pack has been assembled and installed on the vehicle. Next Tacoma we have here is a pre-runner Blue Crush Metallic TRD Sport that's getting a body mount chop. We recently installed a Bilstein 6112 and 5160 setup on here with SPC upper control arms and our add-a-leaf. The customer threw on their own aggressively spec'd wheels and tires and experienced some rubbing, so we're doing a chop for the vehicle now to eliminate the contact the tire is getting on the body mount. And back over to the cement gray Tacoma Tiered Off-Road 4x4. The Bilstein setup has been installed with the Camburg tubular uniball upper control arms. The bead grip MR703s with the KO2s have also been installed. And now with all 4 wheels and tires on the vehicle, we're going to bring it down and torque them down to spec. To improve visibility out on the trails at night, we also installed a set of amber Baja Design Squadron Sport wide cornering lights in the factory fog light pocket. This kit allows you to use your factory fog light switch to illuminate the lights. We have these on our website, and the link to them are also in the description below. And back over to the Blue Crush Metallic Tacoma. We're performing the body mount chop on the passenger side now. Our body mount chops allow for about an extra 1.5 inches of tire clearance. We cut off the excess body mount, which does not affect the structural integrity of the mount, and weld on a block-off plate that molds to the frame, which makes it look as factory as possible. The final step in a BMC is when we hit it with a coat of satin black paint to match the rest of the underbody of the vehicle. Tech is seen here wiring up the indicator lights on this TRD Pro style grille. This one's complete, so we're gonna bring it out for a quick test drive. We hope that you guys are enjoying this video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. And if we're not publishing enough videos for you here on YouTube and you want to see more content, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We post on there daily, both on our feed, our IG stories, and Reels. Here's another cement gray Tacoma that's getting a high clearance bumper cut. For our high clearance bumper cuts, we carefully measure and tape up our lines. We then cut off the bumper and fender liner and then modify the bumper bracket and paint it both for aesthetics and for rust prevention. We grind, clean, and round out all edges before we add the edge trim, and the job is then complete. And this is what our body mount chop and pinch weld work looks like when it's done. And this is what our high clearance bumper cut looks like completed. The truck is also on our King and Camburg lift setup with our Addle leaf system. The link for this lift kit is below, listed as lift package number 2. And this is pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video. Thank you very much for joining us today, guys. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Also turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another video. Until then, take care, guys.